My name's Peter McCormick, and we live in Purley, in Kingley, a village just outside Purley. We had previously a 3-bedroom bungalow that had had a back extension on it, but we had a growing family. We're now waiting for our 4th baby in August, and we needed more space. So we first looked into loft extension, but then it was recommended to us from the architect to consider a full-on 2nd floor extension. And that's what got us speaking with LMB. We had looked around in the area and paid attention to banners and bills that were going on, and saw LMB. We approached Lee. Lee was extremely professional, and he actually recommended to us the architect, Lee Richardson, that we ended up working with. And we felt like the synergy between those two was excellent, very professional. He clearly had a lot of experience in the area, and we just were impressed with what they had to offer. We chose LMB Group mainly for the professionalism that they came in terms of the bid, the clarity in terms of the breakdown of the bid, the timing, and the price was very good. We've added a completely 2nd floor. We've added 4 bedrooms up here. We've added an ensuite. We've added a family bath, and we've added, in addition, downstairs where they put in the stairs, they also knocked through a wall for us to make a larger living area. All the builders and all the people that worked with LMB were extremely professional. Quality, especially of the first initial main team that did the demolition and the building, were exceptional. And I've recommended them to everyone I speak with. They actually were fantastic. It's like a new house. We have an absolutely much larger space. Each child has their own area to play in. Papa and Mama can still hide out and work. The light, the quiet. We're now moved our master bedroom in the back away from the road, and we don't hear the bin guys in the morning. And now we can look out and hear the birds when we wake up, and it's just fantastic. We would recommend LMB Group, and I have recommended LMB Group to about 5 different of my neighbors in the area, 2 of which I know have already taken them on. And we recommend them just for the professionalism and quality of work that they've done.